I count them.
Look at this. This is the ice. Wow. That looks so beautiful. That is gorgeous. Very well beautiful, mate. Well done, mate. Yes. 2023 ice storm. Dallas, Texas. This is North Dallas right here. Dallas Scar. Turned into Dallas Scar right here. Beautiful. Gorgeous ice. Sparkly. And sheer. Beautiful. Okay. Elmo. Oh, look at that. There's a dog over there. That's a beautiful dog. Running around in the ice. That is a very beautiful dog. Seems like a Labrador Retriever. Oh yeah. Beautiful dog. Oh, she's sleeping. I mean, she's sleeping. Yeah, she runs up there. She's beautiful. Look at her. She's pissing. And she's smelling her pissy. Okay, she's a beautiful dog. Okay. This is a tomato head right here.